As August arrives, it's important to remember one thing. With great power comes great responsibility. And this month we celebrate Spider-Man Day, Terry Fox Day, and August is National Immunization Awareness Month. Summer is quickly coming to a close, and that means our fall workshops are almost here. Now is your chance to sign up for our DILIsym software training course with lectures from Paul B. Watkins on September 12th and 13th. This 2-day hands-on course will provide you with a working knowledge of the basic theories and applications of the state-of-the-art quantitative system toxicology modeling and simulation software for the analysis of potentials for drugs and drug candidates to cause liver-induced injury. This is a beginner's course. Prior experience with DILIsym is not required, but remember, seats are limited, so register today. August 9th, I'll be attending the 7th Annual Unwind Life Science Networking event, partnering with Women in Bio's San Diego chapter. If you're in the San Diego area, let's meet up. August 16th through the 18th, the DILIsym team is headed to the 16th Annual Congress of International Drug Discovery, Science and Technology Conference in Cambridge. Be sure to check out their presentation. August 19th and the 23rd, two of our senior research fellows, Marv Waldman and Bob Clark, will be presenting at the American Chemical Society National Meeting Expo in Boston. They'll be demonstrating the application of machine learning models to anticipate mammalian toxicity and drug design. If reduced travel approval prohibits you from attending a workshop or conference, we can come to you. Our on-site training provides a flexible, cost-effective option that allows us to train as many or as few employees as you need, from a single team or department to everyone in your organization. Our customized agendas offer solutions to meet your objectives. Don't forget to check out our careers page. We are always on the lookout for talented programmers, scientists, and postdocs. See if you have what it takes to join our team. And remember, Spider-Man's ability to not take credit for the good he does and his commitment to always be himself should serve as a model for all of us to follow. Happy Spider-Man Day, and thanks for watching.